Welcome! Today, we'll go over the features of Safe Step's ShowerSpa. The ShowerSpa fixture has 4 features that we'll cover in this video. The Rainfall shower head, the handheld shower wand, a foot jet, and the 6 adjustable body sprayers. Let's start with the Rainfall shower head. The Rainfall shower head is fixed in place for your convenience. Operation of the Rainfall shower head is easy. Simply move the water diverter to the up position to select the Rainfall shower head. Then gently lift the water control and adjust the temperature to your liking. To operate the handheld shower wand, simply turn the diverter to the right. Then gently lift the water control and adjust the temperature to your liking. The handheld shower wand has an off and on lever located on the back of the wand. This lever gives you control over the power of the spray. You can mount the handheld shower wand in various positions along the L-shaped grab bar, providing you the convenience of sitting while you shower. At the bottom of the ShowerSpa is a foot jet. To operate the foot jet, simply turn the water diverter to the down position, then lift the water control valve. Last but not least for the ShowerSpa are the 6 body sprayers. The lower 4 body sprayers have a built-in click-adjustable flow control. To operate the body sprayers, simply turn the water diverter to the left and lift the water control valve. Once the body sprayers are on, to adjust them, turn the body sprayer clockwise. That's it! Safe Step's ShowerSpa is just that simple.